Welcome to Lesson 3. With the software installed, we can now take a look at the 3 basic building blocks that create the SOLIDWORKS designing software. The first building block, known as a part, is a single object made up of different features. Common examples of a part include a screw, plate, and a washer. The second fundamental building block, known as an assembly, is where parts can be mated together. For example, a motor gearbox can be constructed in an assembly, where the shaft is mated onto the rest of the gearbox. The motor gearbox assembly can be inserted into an overall motor body assembly, making the gearbox a sub-assembly. Parts and assemblies are the 2 functions of SOLIDWORKS that we most commonly use to develop and design our FTC robots. The last building block is known as a drawing, which is a 2-dimensional representation of any part or assembly. Engineers use drawings in order to specify manufacturing constraints and dimensions. In the next lesson, we will take a look at SOLIDWORKS' user interface and how to use the software.